In this video, I'll show you how to install Peacock on TCL Smart TV, and at the end of this video, I will also show a picture of my dog. Step 1. Check compatibility. Ensure your TCL Smart TV uses Android TV or Google TV, 2016 models or newer. Older or Roku OS-based TCL TVs may need a streaming stick like Roku, Fire TV, or Chromecast. Step 2. Connect to internet. Make sure your TCL Smart TV is connected to Wi-Fi or wired internet for app download. Step 3. Access the App Store. Press the home button on your remote. Navigate to Apps and then the Google Play Store. Step 4. Search for and install Peacock. Go to the search bar in the Play Store and type Peacock TV. Select the Peacock TV app, then click Install. Wait for the download and installation to complete. Step 5. Launch the app and sign in. After installation, click Open or find Peacock in your apps list. Sign up for a new account or sign in using your Peacock credentials. Step 6. Use streaming stick if TV is unsupported. Connect a Roku stick, Fire TV stick or Chromecast to the HDMI port. Then install Peacock on the external device and stream as usual. Step 7. Some troubleshooting tips. If Peacock isn't listed in the Play Store, change the TV region to US in settings, then retry, because Peacock is only available in the United States. For older models, use an external streaming device. And that is how you install Peacock on your TCL Smart TV. And here's a nice picture of my dog. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.